Hey guys, this is gonna be a test on Shadow Fight 2. It's gonna be really quick. Ugh. Sorry, my sister's in the background. Ugh. So, yeah, I just want this to work. I hope it works. This is like the only way it can actually record, which is pretty annoying, right? I think that's really annoying. Yeah, this is the touch. Small survival game. Small survival match for you guys. I'll do 2 rounds. Let's just start off with the guy. What's an interest for him? He's kind of tough. Ooh, nice. Ugh. Oh, damn. Okay, that's really good. Okay. Oh, man. Wow. I might upload a video every day, depending on the circumstances, on what I have. And sometimes my friend can come over to do a video. Dang! Oh, nice. Okay. That was pretty close. And that's all. And I just wanna try. And yeah, if you guys like the video, please comment and subscribe. And yeah, I guess see you guys.